So do you also feel that it's harder for women to lose weight and gain more muscles as compared to men? Guys, so I'm shooting after a really long time, but again I'm back with a very interesting topic. So stay tuned and watch till end. People who are watching my video for the very first time, let me introduce myself to you. That hi everyone, so my name is Dietitian Jigyasa and I make videos to impart knowledge to everyone and break myths related to nutrition and to give you correct knowledge of health and nutrition. So as we all know that males have lot of advantages, like in losing weight and gaining more muscles. They have very much high advantage as compared to female, and let's just see what all various possible reasons can be there. Very first possible reason why it's harder for women to lose weight. So first reason is women crave for more sugars as compared to men. So now this is because of when females are on their menstruating time. That means that when females are on their period, so they have a very low concentration of their two hormones, which is estrogen and progesterone. So everyone knows that females have two hormones, which is estrogen and progesterone. So जब भी females periods पे होती हैं, so उनकी body में estrogen and progesterone का level extremely डाउन चला जाता है. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे हैव द टू डिस्टर्ब्ड हॉर्मोन्स. वन इज लेप्टिन एंड वन इज ग्रेलिन. ये दोनों ही हॉर्मोन्स हमारी क्रेविंग्स को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए, हमारे हंगर को कंट्रोल करने के लिए होते हैं, एंड दे आर मच मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू कंट्रोल द स्ट्रेस ऑल्सो ऑन देयर पीरियड्स. सो यूजुअली ये दोनों हॉर्मोन्स काम नहीं कर पाते. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे हैव द मोर एलिवेशन ऑफ स्ट्रेस हॉर्मोन, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग दे क्रेव फॉर more sugar, more of carbohydrates, and hence it's harder for females to lose weight even though during their periodic time. So second most important factor, that women have lesser muscle mass. That means that males comparative to women have more of lean muscles. That means they have increased level of BMR, that means basal metabolic rate. So जब males के पास ज़्यादा BMR होता है, that means that they are able to burn more calories throughout the day. And yes, females have lesser BMR, so hence she need to push herself throughout the day to get those extra lean muscles and to get more slimmer. So hence she need to do a lot of physical activity. So in physical activity she can do any sort of physical activity, as in like jogging, brisk walk, then gymming, all such kind of things. So third important factor is hormonal change. So females hormones are made up of estrogen and progesterone, whereas if we talk about males, so males hormones are made up of testosterone. So testosterone is a hormone which helps males to burn more calories throughout the day, and hence they help, because of testosterone they are able to build up more lean muscles. So as if you have ever seen that if the females are doing gym and males are doing gym, so males ज़्यादा जल्दी डम्बल्स पुल अप करके, ज़्यादा एक्सरसाइज जल्दी करके, like कम reps के साथ भी they have more of pumping as compared to females. Hence on the other side females need to do a lot of workout as compared to males. So last but not the least, fat distribution. So males have more of visceral fat as compared to females. So this means that visceral fat, दो तरीके के फैट होते हैं. एक visceral fat होता है, एक subcutaneous fat होता है. Visceral fat हमारे organs के आसपास present होता है, whereas which acts as a lubricating agent also. Whereas if you talk about the subcutaneous fat, तो subcutaneous fat जो है वो skin के deep under the gland, that snuggly skin, वो वहाँ पे present होता है. So in contrast to males and females, so females have more of subcutaneous, which is like very sticky, and वो lose करना काफ़ी difficult होता है, and mostly females have a high amount of subcutaneous fat around their buttock area, thigh area. And whereas if you talk about males, so males have more of visceral fat, which helps them to lose weight very quickly, because as compared to both the fat, visceral fat बहुत जल्दी melt. So I hope hope this video was really helpful to you. So try to share it to the maximum people so that उनको भी बहुत ज़्यादा knowledge मिले, बहुत सारे health tips मिले, ताकि वो भी अपना weight lose आसानी से कर पाए. And for more such videos, stay tuned. Till then, take care. Bye bye.